In today's video, I am going to teach you how to load vendor bills to bill.com. To get started, log into your bill.com account. Make sure you are using the correct login so you land in the right workspace and have access to the billing features. Once you are signed in, take a quick moment to confirm that you are on the main dashboard or home screen because the steps that follow will guide you to the bill upload area. Next, click Bills in the left-hand navigation menu. This is the section where bill.com groups and manages bill activity. You want to use the left menu so you do not miss any of the tools related to vendor bills. After you click Bills, you should see options that relate to entering new bills and managing existing ones. Now click Enter Bill. This will open the entry flow where you can add a bill into the system. Depending on your account setup, the screen may show an upload prompt or an area designed specifically for document intake. This is the point where bill.com expects you to provide the bill file so it can extract the details automatically. After you open the Enter Bill area, upload the bill file. You can do this by dragging and dropping the file into the upload area or by selecting the file from your computer. Take a moment to ensure the file type is supported, such as a PDF, an image, or a document format that bill.com can read. If you are using an image or a scanned document, it helps to confirm that the text is clear because the system will use that information to interpret the vendor and invoice details. Once the upload completes, the system will review the information it extracted from the bill. This is an important step because the accuracy of the extracted data can vary depending on the clarity of the document. Review what the system captured and check that the vendor is correct, the amount matches what is on the bill, the invoice number is accurate, and the invoice date is correct. Look carefully at each field. If anything is wrong, correct it before moving forward, because these details determine how the bill will be routed and processed. After you finish reviewing and confirming the extracted information, click Save. Saving is what actually adds the bill into your workflow. When you click Save, the bill will be placed into your inbox or payables queue, depending on how your account is configured and how your billing process is set up. This is the place where you can come back later to verify, approve, and manage payments as needed. To wrap things up, loading vendor bills into bill.com follows a straightforward flow. Log in, go to the Bills section, choose Enter Bill, upload the bill file, verify the extracted details, and save it into your inbox or payables. That covers everything you need to know.